Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Children, in today's class, I'll commence with the poem of literature Two's Company, composed by Dr. Raymond Wilson. Children, this poem is about many of your favorite topic. Can you guess what is it? It is about ghost. Ghost means भूत. ये किसके बारे में है? भूतों के बारे में. और भूतों के बारे में तो हम सबको बात करना बहुत पसंद होता है. हम सब में से जब भी हम लोग आपसे बात करते हैं तो बहुत सारे बच्चे क्या बोलते हैं कि हमें तो भूतों से बिल्कुल भी डर नहीं लगता, कि अगर मेरे सामने भूत आ जाए तो मैं तो भूत को अभी भगा दूंगा. और वहीं पे कुछ बच्चों को भूतों से बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता है. एक्चुअली इट इज़ अ मैटर ऑफ डिफरेंट ओपिनियंस. सो the poem makes fun of the people who are sure that there are no such things as ghosts. This poem is about the people who don't believe in ghosts. ये poem किन लोगों के बारे में है? उन लोगों के बारे में जो क्या सोचते हैं कि भूत वूत कुछ भी नहीं होते. Now, the narrator of the poem decides to spend one of his night in a haunted house. Just to prove that there are no such things as ghosts. ये प्रूव करने के लिए कि भूत भूत कुछ नहीं होते, जो पोएम का जो नरेटर है वो अपनी एक रात भूतों वाले घर में, भूत बंगले में रहने का सोचता है. But as night falls, strange things happens and he got afraid. वो डर जाता है बहुत ज़्यादा जब अजीबोगरीब चीज़ें होती हैं. The way he tries to convince himself that there are no ghosts in the poem, this poem is about that only. So let's start the poem. Please listen to it carefully. They said the house was haunted. Now, here in the very first line of the poem, they refer to the people. The people means the neighbors and the friends of the narrator who were living beside the haunted house. The people who were living near the haunted house, they said that the house was haunted. Haunted means visited by ghost, कि उस घर में भूत आते जाते रहते हैं. But he laughed at them and said, "Tut tut." Tut tut is a sign of disapproval, means no. But when the narrator heard that the house was haunted, he made fun of them and he said, "No, I don't believe in these kind of things." उसने कहा ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता, मैं तो इन सब चीजों को नहीं मानता. I have never heard such tittle-tattle as ghost that groaned and chains that rattle. He said, I have never heard these kind of things about ghost. I don't believe in ghost. I have never heard of any ghost and any sound that ghost make. कि ना तो मैंने आज तक भूतों के बारे में सुना है और ना ही मैंने आज तक भूतों से बारे में सुना है, तो मैं तो इन सब चीज़ों को बिल्कुल भी नहीं मानता. And just to prove that I am in the right, please leave me here to spend the night. और जब वो बोला कि मुझे तो भूतों से डर नहीं लगता और मैं भूतों को बिल्कुल भी नहीं मानता. And just to prove himself right, he decided to spend one of his night into that haunted house. He decided to stay over there in that haunted house for one night. इस बात को प्रूव करने के लिए कि भूत नहीं होते हैं, उसने क्या डिसाइड किया? उसने डिसाइड किया कि वो एक रात के लिए कहाँ पर रहेगा? भूत बंगले में. कि वो भूत बंगले के अंदर जाकर एक रात रहेगा और वहां पर देखेगा कि एक्चुअल में वहां पर क्या चीजें होती हैं. They winked absurdly, tried to smother. Their ignorant laughter nudged each other. They blinked absurdly means they here refer to the people who were living near the haunted house. The friend, that means the friends and the neighbors of the narrator. Now, when the friends and the neighbors of the narrator, when they heard that the narrator doesn't believe in ghosts and he wanted to spend one of his night in that haunted house, they just made fun of him. They started blinking their eyes foolishly. Absurdly means foolishly. Winked means blinking eyes. And tried to smother means hide, and they tried to control, they tried to hide their laughter. उनको बहुत ज़्यादा हंसी आने लगी कि ये कैसा इंसान है जो भूतों को ही नहीं मानता, इसको तो भूतों से बिल्कुल डर नहीं लगता। तो वो अपनी हंसी को, अपने इमोशंस को कंट्रोल करने लगे। एंड नज्ड ईच अदर, दे वर पुशिंग ईच अदर, मतलब उनमें धक्का मुक्की होने लगे, वो एक दूसरे से बातें करने लग गए कि कैसा इंसान है, इसको डर ही नहीं लगता भूतों से, हमें तो बहुत डर लगता है भूतों से। And left him just as dusk was falling, with the hunchback moon and screech owls calling. And left him, and as the narrator wanted to spend one of his night into that haunted house, so the friends and the neighbors of the narrator decided to leave him for one night into that haunted house. उन्होंने उसको एक रात के लिए, जब शाम का समय आया, एट द टाइम ऑफ डस्क, एट द टाइम ऑफ लेट इवनिंग, दे लेफ्ट हिम, उन्होंने उसको वहाँ पर हॉन्टेड हाउस में ले जाकर छोड़ दिया। अब जब वहाँ पे उसको छोड़ा, एक्चुअली दैट नाइट वॉज मूनलाइट नाइट, उस टाइम पे चंद्रमा था, ठीक है, चांदनी रातें थी। एंड चारों ओर से, क्योंकि वो भूतिया हवेली थी, वो भूत बंगला था, तो वहाँ पे चारों ओर से आउल्स के चिल्लाने की आवाज आ रही थी। बट स्टिल, not that this troubled him one bit. In fact, he was quite glad of it. In fact, he was not afraid. उसे कोई डर नहीं लगा. He was not affected by any of the thing. He was not affected a little bit. वो जो थोड़ा सा भी नहीं डरा. In fact, he was quite glad. Glad means happy. He was very happy that he was there in the haunted house, knowing it's every man's mission to contradict all superstition, because he knew that it is the dream of every person, it is the mission of every person to prove that all the superstition that occurs in a society, की जो भी superstition हमारी society के अंदर है, चाहे वो भूत से रिलेटेड हो गए, चाहे वो किसी भी चीज़ से रिलेटेड हो गए, उन superstition को ख़त्म करना हर एक इंसान का मिशन होता है. That means everybody in this society wants to contradict, wants to oppose all the superstition that are there in the society. जो भी सोसाइटी के अंदर सुपरस्टिशंस हैं, हम सभी, हम में से हर एक इंसान उन सभी सुपरस्टिशन को, उन सभी अंधविश्वासों को ख़त्म करना चाहता है. So his mission was also the same. So just to prove that ghosts do not exist in this world, he stayed for one night over there into that haunted house. So now, how was the poem? कैसी लगी आपको? That's all for today's class. Now, rest of the poem I'll continue in my next video that you will get on next Thursday. I hope you enjoyed the poem. Thank you and have a nice day.